Alright fam, we're here with another Cut's Kitchen. Today, we're making beef stroganoff. So, that's all the ingredients that you're gonna need. So make sure you screenshot that. I'll put it in words, in American words, and maybe it's translated. So you need flour, mushrooms, egg noodles, beef stock, garlic, you need oil, some white wine, some butter, onions, Worcestershire sauce, sour cream, salt, pepper, and some nice steak, and beer, meat. So you're gonna start by boiling your water. You're gonna toss some egg noodles in there. I don't know how many that is. You just think about how many people you want to eat the egg noodles, and then you add 73 to them because of the volume of the egg noodles, and then add a cup of water per each time. And then you let that boil and get good, and then we'll move on. So while that's boiling, we're gonna get our steak out. We gotta crack our beer. Cheers. Get a knife. We're gonna cut real thin against the grain along here, okay? Trim it a bit while you got going. Fat's not bad in this because it's gonna chill out a little bit. But, you know, make sure you're getting nice thin slices there. So we're finishing that up. We're on the last ones, making sure they're nice and thin, nice and pretty. And then we're gonna start heating the pan. So now that meat's chilling, you can salt it. Slightly difficult with one hand. Heat is, you're gonna get that oil warm and chop up your onions. So you just wanna hit that real quick, turn it, get it a little bit. Not too much, not too much. We're gonna pull these babies. And that's enough. That's enough of that. You just wanna get it a little bit just on the outsides. Pull it off. We'll take this in here. We like mushrooms, and they shrink a lot, so we're gonna put a whole shitload in there. Put that in, all your veggies, your onions, and your mushies, and we're gonna put some garlic in there, sweat it all down. While that's all sweating, you have a beer. You ever have trouble when you're cooking and walking? You can't hold your beer, you forget it? Coming soon. Shop.marathon.net. We're using the Pinot Gris. Should be a little drier maybe, who knows. So you can pour that in so that we can deglaze all that nice brown crap in the bottom. I don't know how much that was. It was like 3 really big sips. Three normal sips. 2 big sips. And scrape all that cool brown crap off. Get all that tasty crap. Baby. Let that start deglazing. And while that's going, coming to a nice little simmer, we're gonna start our roux, or whatever you want to call that, sauce thing. So with that, we're going to take some beef stock, about that many glugs. We're going to take some Worcestershire. Glug it. Take off that goddamn governor. We don't need anybody telling us how much we can and can't shake. So we put that in there. We're gonna get a whisk. And some flour. We're gonna whisk that up. While that's doing that, you're gonna add some flour. It would probably be a good idea to sift it. We actually have one of those. Let's try that out. Hold on. I don't have enough hands for that, so we're not gonna do that. But I would suggest it. Oh, I think I'm growing another hand.
Go, Gadget Arms!
Thank you, other hand. Stephanie. So, with the sifter, you cheese it on and then you don't get the big clumps. You see, it's starting to get a little thicker. You want a little bit thicker in there, so keep adding your flour and whisking it. That baby's nice. Just about ready for us to combine everything and be happy. So you're looking for like Ovaltine-ish look.
A crummy commercial?
Needs a little more broth.
Bitch.
There we go. We're gonna take that and add it to our pan. Get that moving around in there. Well, we got a nice simmer going. Bring that back up. Make sure we don't got anything burning on the bottom. We worked hard with that wine to get that off. Look at that. And with the flour, you're going to want to make sure that you got that moving so it doesn't burn on the bottom there and get all gross, because nobody likes burnt flour. I've never met a person that likes burnt flour. If you know a person that likes burnt flour, then I don't know, tell me who they are, because something wrong with them. So we got that moving around. Then we're gonna add our meat in. Just like that. Fold that in. Those little pink boys, little pink bits. Stuff's gonna go away. And you're gonna have nice, juicy, flavorful, tender pieces of meat with your Stroganoff. So now that's getting nice and brown in there. We're gonna take ooh, Cups' kitchen tip of the day. When you get shit splashing around, you take your towel and you wipe it up, because then it's not stuck on or crazy, and it's a lot easier than later, and then you feel like shit when you gotta clean it all up, you know? There's a tip for you. What is it that we're missing here? Let's go ahead. Salt. Salt that up. You should have a bunch in your beef stock, but you know, that flour kind of sucks it up. Next thing, we don't have any fresh ground anymore, so I got this skull snake pepper. Put a bunch of pepper in there. You can get pretty crazy here at this part if you really want. I mean, I'm keeping it fairly simple. Move that around a little bit. You can see it's thickening up. Oh, you think I forgot the number one ingredient? So, if you're really health conscious, you could use some Greek yogurt, but this one is strawberry flavored, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna put a couple dollops of daisy in this thing. Some sour cream. That'll get her going. Mix that around. Now you're starting to see the finish. This is kind of what you were expecting, right? If it's a little too thick for you, add a little bit more beef stock. If it's a little bit too peppery for you, fucking grow up. If it's I don't know, figure it out. You're an adult. I'm just here to guide you. So you mix that around real nice. Make sure you taste it as you go. I'm gonna throw a little more garlic powder at this point. It's got nice sweetness from those onions we put in. Pepper's good. I like Worcestershire. So you gotta be careful because you take the governor off because we're not babies. Swirl that around. Cheap beer makes everything taste better. Now, you just taste it. If it's to your liking, put some parsley in there. I used up all the fresh parsley from making whatever that Lebanese thing's called. Chop a lot of things. And if you forget some, you know, mushrooms are good, just eat them. And you let that do its last little bit. Doing good. You drain your nudes. And you admire your dish art. Because you cleaned up while you were waiting for things to happen. And now you only have a couple things to clean. You can just enjoy your dinner without having to worry. Good. And to plate it, you get your finest Stone Cold Steve Austin plates and you put it on it. All there's left to do is enjoy. Cheers. Take a gander here. Might not be the best plating thing. Put some meat. That's Stroganoff with cups. Love ya.